I want to talk about this Bambu Labs firmware update. All right. Here's my take on this. Everybody is freaking out. I am not going to go there. Okay? I'm going to trust Bambu Labs. They say this is for security updates, for security reasons. I'm going to trust that. Okay? I believe that they have had security issues. I don't want I don't believe that Bambu Labs is nefarious. I don't believe that they want to lock down their systems. I believe that they want to keep selling 3D printers and 3D accessories. We got people who are doing these extreme conspiracies, like they're going to lock down everything and force you to use bamboo filament. Well, I'm on the other side. Another conspiracy would be that you try to upload a 10-minute print and it's going to take half an hour because there's DDoS attacks on their servers. You know, both of these are, in my opinion, very unlikely. I think a DDoS attack is more likely, but you know, I'm going to take a wait and see approach on this. I'm not going to do a knee-jerk reaction. Well, I'm never going to buy another Bambu Lab printer. Oh, Trump is an existential threat to our democracy. Stop freaking out. I do not subscribe to any of these. I'm going to keep recommending Bambu Lab printers until they give me a reason not to, which hasn't happened yet. I don't have any affiliates. I haven't been given any printers by anybody. I don't do that. There's no sponsors. This is just my opinion. Oh, I gotta go. I'll see you next video. This is the Duke of 3D Printing saying if you can't be good, be bad, baby. Bye.